Hello everyone, welcome to Jobs Mera YouTube channel, and we have a big opportunity for you from Towers Research Capitals. The position is recruiting for ML engineering intern for 6 months at a Tower Research Capital. The location is Gurgaon, and let's know about the some about company. The Tower Research Capital is a highly frequency proprietary trading firms founded in 1988 and six Antons to join our core AI machine learning teams. The responsibilities for this job is set up in-house CI/CD tools and deploy machine learning model into a productions environments. And second one is developing data pipelines for cleaning, collecting, and processing and analyzing the diverse data set, and support the development and implementation of a statistical and machine learning algorithm and models, conduct experiment and test to evaluate model performance, contribute optimization and fine turning exacting machine learning models. Let's go look further. The qualification for this job is a bachelor, master, and PhD ongoing or completed. The degree or equivalent from the top university available in join from January 2024 for 6 months for an in-office internship. So it is a office internship, not a work from home, and the prior experience with training, building, and deploying the models by TensorFlow and PyTorch or similar in mandatory. The experience with a CI/CD pipeline and ML ops for automating model and deployment, the skill in using a Linux SQL, Git, and Bash scripting, the strong knowledge of a Python and add-on, and the experience in a France domain in POS. The benefit for this job for you, the tower continue to enhance in the in-house trending system and a strategy that have to positioned the firm as a leader and inviting trending and find to quantitative handing and will to touch over the challenge and the rewards revealing those he any well stream from. So you can read all the states and the points, and after that you have read this point, you can apply this process and this position. You go to the apply through LinkedIn, and you can manually you can apply. Simply you can fill the form and submit application form. So you guys understood the recruitment process. If you have any query, please feel free to comment me. I am respond promptly. And you have understood, then thank you. Let's meet the new big opportunity. Okay, thank you all of you.